mga ka-Jumix ko po dyan. Ayan, kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget, subscribe Jumix channel, like, view, share, comments, and hit the bell button for you'll always get notified mga ka-Jumix and every I upload my video. Ayan mga ka-Jumix, ayan, lots of blessings from Korea with love. Kaya keep watching until the end of my video mga ka-Jumix ko po dyan. Again, don't forget, subscribe Jumix channel. Hello mga ka-Jumix, ayan yung watermelon from Korea. So, akala ko mga ka-Jumix malaki, ang liit pero ang sarap daw. Sarap daw nito. Ayan. Yan yung aking part. Yan, mga blessings from Korea with love. Yan mga ka-Jumix, oh, ang sarap.
Yogurt?
Yogurt. Oh, yogurt. Saan siya? Kani, oh. Parang off lotion para sa lamok. Kani, oh, yan. Pang pag frame from Thailand dito, only he buy it from Thailand, only this one and this one. But this one, the rest is from Korea, yan, this one. From Korea, yan, this one was from Korea. Yan, this one, all is this is Korea, yeah, Korea. This one is from Korea. Yan, this one is from Korea. Korea with love. Ayan, husband of my niece. Ayan. Ayan mga ka-Jumix. Oh, ang sarap po. Kay sarap. Oh, ang tissue nila. Mapa ko wipes day, wipes. Oh, may wipes pa ako. Oh. Yan, kimchi. Pero kimchi man eh?
No, I think it's paste.
Ape, sa katong ikuan kimchi. Kimchi.
Kasagol, masyari pag kasagol pag
Unsa ni siya wala may
basa din good kay Korean translation
Korean
na English.
So, first time mga ka-Jumix nakakuan kong nani mga ka-Jumix, so first time na meron palang so yan ni mais, black corn, may black corn pala, first time na I see in person mga ka-Jumix sa black corn. First time I know that there's a black corn. Oh, yan. From Korea. May kasabutan ni mga ka-Jumix, we did not understand this. Oh, what this one? Oh. Ayan. Yan mga ka-Jumix, thank you. Ayan. Dito ako sa aking sister yan. Here's my sister's daughter, husband. This one. Yeah, that's our pasalubong. What happened? Melon, watermelon from Korea. This is the watermelon. The watermelon from Korea. It's very cute and very nice. Thanks from the husband of my niece. Thanks for the husband of my niece. Yan, it came from Korea. That's mine. This is my pasalubong. Yan, thank you so much. Yan, thank you for watching mga ka-Jumix. Wait, one.